Hello friends, I want to share my heart and feelings about the wonderful 15 days art training I attended. At first, I felt nervous about joining, but as the days went by, I grew excited. The vibrant colors, the friendly trainers, and the happy smiles of my classmates made it an unforgettable experience. I discovered new ways to express myself through art, exploring my creativity like never before. When I received the news that I have secured third place in the art competition, my heart soared with joy. It felt like a dream came true. I could not stop smiling and felt a rush of pride, not just for myself but for everyone who worked together in this beautiful journey. I want to thank all the organizers and trainers for their patience, encouragement, and guidance. They believed in us and helped us believe in ourselves. These training taught me the importance of art in expressing feelings and ideas. It connected with me and others who share a passion for creativity. I promise to participate in more such training programs in the future because they inspired me to grow and create. I believe art is a powerful tool that can help young people like me find our voices. I kindly request the Ward 20 committee to continue organizing these amazing training sessions for future generations. It would mean a lot to many young artists who want to learn and express themselves. Thank you for making this experience possible for me and so many others. Thank you for watching my feelings and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.